This is J&J Studio. Thanks for stopping in. We got another wonderful video for you. Here we go. Sit back and relax and enjoy.
Another J&J Studio video.
We are expecting early morning storms for Thursday. Here's radar early this morning as showers move in. We have a couple of sprinkles or two with this short wave. There's Thursday's weather maps and Thursday severe risk map and timing. We are between storms, showers and storms right now. Here's radar again. We are the blue circle, bullseye thingy. We missed out from quite a bit of rain. It pretty much stayed away from us. Other than that little shower that went over. We had a couple sprinkles, but not much rain. Most of the rain is defined to the northeast. Other than the area to our west, the showers and storms to our west is slowly drifting towards us right now. We are not worried about anything major. We're currently without power. So we'll see how long it takes for it to come back on. Good morning. We're gonna make my first cup of coffee real fast. Okay. Well, the idea is we're gonna make some cold coffee. Okay, that's plain coffee. I'll probably add some hot chocolate to it or something. Make it like a cold mocha. We're gonna try this stuff today. Gonna mix that as creamer, I guess, and sugar. I'll put a couple spoons in there. Should be starting anytime. There it goes. I forgot. I still haven't descaled it yet. I got the stuff to do it. I've been lazy. It struggles a little bit. I started the ice maker, so we have some ice cubes. We have some iced coffee. It's a little hot for hot coffee. Then I'm gonna put the cap and we'll probably go into town. Okay, that's the end of that one. Now we have to wait for this thing to get a little bit of ice in here. A little bit of ice, not much. That little holes in the middle looks funny, like always. Oops. Still working on it on my recycled cup from Arby's the other day. We're gonna just make some iced coffee in that and just take it with us for this product. Yeah, just her flowers. Time to cut the grass again. Oh man. I need to get this folded up, put away. Swimming pool stuff, some goggles. We're gonna work on some cameras, get them connected. We're gonna have to do a supply count, see what all we have. Vedios. I'll have to dig out some stuff. I need to get these taken off. That's bugs me. Oh yeah, that's up there. Yeah, pans, pots and pans. So where? Band-aids, first aid kit, control boxes, parts and pieces. We should have 100% battery. Then you go shopping, and then we got left with ice water. Yeah, let's be wiped out. Always keep your stuff looking nice. Make sure you test everything too. Everything's good on that. Step out. We're currently on our way to fill up the car. I got like pretty much no gas at all, so we're gonna stop by neighborhood market, take a look at that, see how that go, the construction, and we're gonna put some gas in the vehicle. Maybe grab something to drink. So that's what we're heading towards now. It's a little bit hot out here today, so a good drink, it sounds good to me. The cheapest ones you can get for 87 cents in Walmart. Oh yeah, guys, Walmart neighborhood market is pretty much getting remodeled and stuff, if you didn't know. It's became a mess out here. Yeah, it's been pretty bad. Became a pretty good mess. Yeah, you can see all the construction stuff here. Yeah, it's a pretty good mess. Oh, they repainted the gas station. We have to stop and get some gas here at the neighborhood market. Gas up a little bit. Ran a little low on fumes. Only had 55 miles per hour range. Wow. Be able to get onto the left side of the tank. Decided to put $20 in. This is what $20 get you nowadays. That's crazy. Bought me a drink from the station, and I cleared out my mileage. See what kind of mileage we get. On my checkout thing. Sitting out here getting burnt in the rain. It's modern. Crazy. I don't remember if everything's open. I don't know when they're gonna be completely closed. 7 to 6 to 7:30. The porta potties. Porta potty trader. That's funny. Just sitting here drinking my drink I got from Walmart when I filled up the car. Late breaking news. Late breaking news. Homeland's completely going out of business. Everything's 40% off. You know, it's located off a Hall of Fame and Main Street. Stop by and get something before they completely go close. Also, Bad Breads is going out of business. That's what I heard today. So just a heads up on that, guys. No more barbecue from Bad Breads. Sound like they'll be closing down too. A lot of stuff is closing in Stillwater area. I'll keep you updated. I'm gonna take a power nap for about maybe a half hour, and gonna check on the weather again. I don't think much gonna go on, really. Here's Friday's dress. That's tomorrow. Back in the studio. That's my solar panel system. Okay. You hook this back up to something. You already have something in there. What tape is that? I wonder. I think it's something I was going to digitize. See, my old technology is these old cameras right here. Let me get some more memory for them. Memory cards. And I had a really old little tape, VHS tape thingies, small ones, camcorders. And it takes an adapter, you know. I still got over 10.7K followers on TikTok. You don't really have a subject, really, just a little bit of everything. We're checking the live streams real fast by just bringing it up on Yahoo real fast. Channel 1. Channel 2, see this got 3 of them going, 3 lives. This could be a fast process there, just checking them. Yeah, that's good. This could probably be the main lives for now. We're gonna have 2 of the same thing, similar to the same thing, and 2 of, you know, like that. Target the systems. Upgraded. I brought Cricket with me today. She's out there, just walking around. We might do some, let's play around with the green screen a little bit. The scanner, we turned that off. But hey, we haven't turned it back on, and we might listen to some radio traffic. Today's Thursday. Here's a look at radar again. We're still staying dry. Had to stop at the studio. I was working on my app and check on a few things. Here's a look at radar again. Lunchtime. A little bit of TV and eat a little bit of food. Cricket! What are you doing? She about got her cut tree tore up. You too. Not a bigger one. Beautiful afternoon. Davina spaghetti noodles with baked liquid smoke pork ribs with pork barbecue rub on it. Good morning. We're gonna make my first cup of coffee real fast. Okay. It struggles a little bit.
If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and smash that bell so you get the newest notification, newest videos, and share us out with your friends and family. I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys.